In this video I will try to show you how we can do a necklace from shells marine. We will use some shells, we will use a piece of wood, a piece of skin, a bone point and some natural fibers, especially hemp fibers. Firstly, we will try to perforate some shells. As I told you, we will use this bone point. And look, we have a small perforation. Another way to obtain some perforation is to use this block of sandstone, and we will polish this point. Look, we have a perforation. Look, here we have some natural fibers, as I told you, hemp fiber, and we will try to do the necklace. Look, this is a manner to obtain a necklace from shells.